Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install a search plugin in qBittorrent on your Mac if you run into an error during the automatic setup I covered in the previous video. To fix this, we'll have to install these plugins manually. Right below the error window, you'll see a link that contains all the plugins for qBittorrent. Go ahead and click that, and your browser will open up a GitHub page. From here, just choose a site you want and click the download icon right next to it. Your browser will switch to a new tab. Now, all you need to do is copy the URL of that page. Head back over to the qBittorrent app, click on Install a New One, and select Web Link. Paste the link you just copied into this box and hit OK. And just like that, we've successfully installed a plugin. You can see it popping up right here in the list. From now on, when you search for a keyword, qBittorrent will look for torrent files using the plugin source you just added. To get a wider variety of search results, you'll need to repeat this manual process. Whatever site you want to pull data from, just find it in that GitHub list, copy the link, and install it manually using these exact same steps.